A lot of people think remote desktop software is complicated, but it's really not. With the right tool, you can access your computer from anywhere, your office PC, your home setup, or even a work network, just like you're sitting right in front of it. And the best part is, modern remote desktop apps don't just let you control your screen. They also give you features like file transfer, multi-device support, and secure connections. So if you've been looking for a remote desktop app that's fast, easy, and doesn't feel confusing to set up, today I'm going to show you one of the best options you can try right now. AweSun Remote Desktop. AweSun is a remote desktop software that lets you connect to your computer from anywhere, using another PC, a laptop, or even your phone. It even supports 144 frames per second streaming and has a game keyboard, so you can actually play PC games on your phone. It's made for people who want remote access for things like working from home, accessing office computers while traveling, helping friends or clients with tech support, opening important files when you're away, managing multiple devices remotely. And the best thing is, it works smoothly without needing advanced technical knowledge. Now let's talk about how to actually use AweSun, because this is the part most people think is hard. But it's really simple. Step 1. Download and install AweSun. First, download AweSun on the computer you want to control. This is your host computer. Then, install AweSun on the device you'll use to connect. This is your client device, like a laptop or phone. Step 2. Create an account and sign in. After installing, open AweSun and sign in. This makes it easier to manage your devices and connect securely. Step 3. Set up your host computer. On your main computer, make sure AweSun is running and ready for remote access. This is the computer you'll connect to when you're outside or away from your desk. Step 4. Connect from your phone or laptop. Now open AweSun on your phone or second computer. You'll see your available device list, then simply select your computer and connect. Within seconds, you'll have full remote access, like you're sitting right there. Step 5. Use remote control plus file transfer. Once connected, you can open programs, access files, copy and transfer documents, help someone troubleshoot, control everything remotely in real time. And that's it. No complicated setup, no stress. So if you want remote access that's fast, simple, and has a free version that's better than many popular tools, AweSun is definitely worth checking out. And if you want to try it, check the link in the description. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more tech videos like this.